everyone, this is Smiley Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the firewall not available on Avast Antivirus. I already fixed mine, so I'm just going to show you the steps I did to fix it. First of all, I will put a link to download this tool in the description under this video. You are gonna download the tool and then double click on it. This tool is actually the official tool from Avast team that's used to uninstall Avast, clean and install and remove all its files. Please not continue, so no. And then uninstall. I forgot to tell you something. You have to download the Avast offline installer, which I'm going to link in the description too. And then after we restart the PC, we will install it again. The process will take a little while, so I'm going to just skip the video.
One eternity later.
Okay, so after the process is done, we have to restart the PC. And also, I forgot to mention something. This clean and install of Avast actually fixes a lot of issues that I've ran into in the past. So if you are facing other issues, this will fix them too. So we're gonna just skip the video to restart the computer. Restart.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So now after the PC restarts, we just install Avast from the offline installer we downloaded earlier. Okay, so we are gonna just remove this and check. Then install. It will take a while, so I will skip.
One eternity later.
Get started. Start a free trial or activate, whichever you wanna do. Start a free trial. As you can see, guys, everything is working well. The firewall is working. If this video helped you guys, subscribe and do not forget to stay safe because